Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS3320 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS3320 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be from a Canon website here. This is Canon support for PIXMA TS3320. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page here, you should be able to just scroll down and expand software and drivers. Scrolling down again underneath software and driver results, you want to select the TS3300 series driver setup package and the download button. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up. It should be from a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. And then proceed with the installation here. You'll need to select your various options. So select Start Setup, Next, and then just follow through the on-screen directions here. It's going to download some updates for the installer, and then just configure it based on your connection type. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.